I'm Josh with Skid Pro, and this is our Auger mixer bucket. Let's dig into the details so you can see why this mixer bucket delivers best-in-class functionality and performance. The Skid Pro Auger mixer bucket is a versatile tool with a lot of different uses. It can handle projects such as bagging sand or soil in the landscape industry. It can even discharge small pea rock. It also works for feeding livestock and as a concrete bucket. But where it really shines is handling those small, Quickrete type projects. Our Auger mixer bucket comes standard with a 3/4 yard capacity, which is perfect for small to medium-sized projects where bringing in a pumper truck just doesn't make fiscal sense. For example, if you are working on a project like filling a couple of sonotubes for footings or a small sidewalk. The Auger mixer bucket will run on most machines, with the limiting factor usually being the lift capacity to heave 3/4 yards of material, especially wet concrete. But even with a full bucket, it has plenty of power to keep on mixing. The well-reinforced hopper has a height of 27 inches, a width of 21.5, and is 68.5 inches long. Yet, it still remains really solid due to the heavy-duty gussets and truss-like design. It's built to handle the toughest jobs without missing a beat. 3/4 yards of concrete is not light, and some skids are going to struggle to move that kind of weight. This is one of the best no-seam features on this mixer bucket. You can actually remove the top extension to get your capacity down to a 1/2 yard only. This allows you to put the Auger mixer on smaller machines with a lower lift capacity, or lowers the height that you have to get the Quickrete bags into the bucket. And it'll give you a little added visibility if your job site has really tight spaces. Talk about flexibility and functionality. The keen-eyed among you will probably notice the heavy-duty grate with the gnarly spikes sticking up. Those little bag busters are what we call our cutter bars. They are there so you can throw a bag of Quickrete or feed on them, split the bag open, and simply pull up on the outside, and the concrete dumps right in, saving you time and fumbling around with a knife. Plus, the grates fit perfectly in either the 1/2 or the 3/4 yard configuration. One of those signature Skid Pro no-seams that helps set us apart is the grate retention pins that hold the grate in place. Each pin has a drilled hole and a small punch pin is inserted and pounded in. This makes it so the pin does not come out all the way, so you don't have to fully remove them to get the grate up, and you can never lose a pin. One of the coolest things about our Auger mixing bucket is the Auger design. It's rubber flighting, which cuts down on the leaking and the jamming, and it's so much more durable than the bristle type augers. You run the auger in one direction away from the discharge chute to do all your mixing, which keeps all the material in the mixer bucket. And then you simply reverse hydraulic flow to discharge out the side. Everything stays in the bucket while mixing and flowing while you're pouring. The auger itself is 61.5 inches long and 6.5 inches in diameter, with 4-inch spacing between flights, plenty big to keep things moving smooth and prevent any clogging. Here's another feature that I absolutely love: QT mounts on both the front and the back. That allows you to hook up to either end and discharge either right or left of the skid loader. So whether you're working on footings, sidewalks, slabs, or even posts, you can position it just right. As an added bonus, the QT plates on both sides acts as a storage stand to keep the unit up off the ground and sturdy while not in use. The mixer bucket also comes with some handy accessories. There are 2 chute lengths included that helps you customize the chute length based on what you're going to do and gives you full control over where the material goes. The added reach is invaluable on certain job sites as well. As with all our attachments, this mixer bucket comes with the legendary Skid Pro 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. The Skid Pro Auger mixer bucket is such a versatile attachment. Whether you're doing concrete work or even working with feed, it's got all the features you need. Dual side quick attach plate, adjustable chutes, and that great leak-resistant and durable auger design. It's built to make tough jobs way easier, and you can really get material where you need it without all the hassle. If you have any other questions, give a product guru a call or visit us at skidpro.com. And as always, our promise to you, better products, better service, happier customers.